Yeah, it warmed up a little bit today. We got 92.9 outside Fahrenheit and 84.6 here in the shop, in the garage. 9, you want to subtract 32 degrees times 0.5555, many fives as you can get. So there you go, 33.8 degrees C. So we picked up some goodies at the bash. First thing is our name tag and our raffle tickets. Let's see what we got in the goodie bag here. From Evolent, hoping I'm pronouncing that right. Nice dividing head chart. You know what, let's just bring everything out here. Actually, I missed one here. Nice little bottle of anchor lube. That's great stuff to have. From Noga, we got a little deburring tool, genuine Noga. Nice little keychain ring here from American Rotary. Assortment of stickers. That one is just really cool. I really like that Stars one. That's awesome. Got a from the Black Book. This is a nice little combination metric and imperial screw checker. That's pretty handy. A couple of mouse pads. A Lincoln Electric shopping bag. We got some catalogs, diamide or clamps, Seiko. Oh, and a nice decimal equivalent chart here from the Black Book. And this is really neat because it has the in-between sizes that most charts don't have. Metric and SAE. Yeah, that's a nice chart. That's going to come in handy. So, how did we do on the raffle at the bash? Well, I didn't win anything, but my wife, she won an American Rotary t-shirt. Nice t-shirt. Nice American flag on the back. So she won that. And she won a Spindexer. Okay, so I don't know, I already have one of these, so we might use this as a giveaway, not sure yet, or a project, we'll see. But anyways, she won a Spindexer. Like I say, I won nothing. Yeah, so one of my buddies won a nice little item at the bash. Tom Knopp from Hilltop Machine Works. So we did a little horse trading. This baby's got some miles on it already. It's been shipped all the way to Virginia and then all the way back to California, starting in California, and then I don't know where it came from originally, from Char. So it's a high mileage unit already. So anyways, what he won and what I have been looking for was a coaxial indicator, and this one's a Char's, and it looks like a good quality indicator. The Char stuff is usually pretty good, so yeah, I think this will be great. I've got to learn how to run it and all the different setups you can do with it. So yeah, this is really nice. So happy to get this. Like I say, it's been on the wish list for quite a while. So thanks, Tom. And yeah, we did some horse trading. You'll have to go to his channel to check out what I sent him. And once again, it's Tom from he's the wooden nickel guy. Hilltop Machine Works. And I got his sticker here someplace. It's kind of butchered because I did some remodeling on this shelf. Apologies, Tom, the top of your sticker got cut off. Oh, we might have to get a new one from you. Alrighty. We also picked up a few items from the swap meet. So these were on Tom Lipton's table. So we worked out a deal with him. So we got a Moore and Wright depth mic, and it appears to be complete. The traditional foam is, of course, deteriorating. It is metric. I don't have that many metric measuring tools, so now I have a metric depth mic. Okay. Yeah, and it seems to be in pretty good shape. I think it's been around a while, but it really doesn't look like it's had hardly any use at all. It's in great shape. I'm probably going to have to, take this apart and lube it up and so forth. But yeah, it's a nice set. I'm not sure what goes here. Maybe that's just a grip. I can't figure out what would go in there. If anybody knows, throw it in the comment. And then it came with a little equivalent chart, metric versus imperial, and fractions. Yeah, so that's handy. All right, and then the other one, another Moore and Wright. This one's an inside micrometer, and it looks like this stuff has never been used. It's just in really good condition. It was packed by 1045 and passed by 1045 and packed by number 16. So that's good to know. Yeah, so we got all the different length rods in here, and this is kind of interesting. It's got a little cheater here. If you're right between sizes, you can put this cheater on, and it adds another 10 millimeters. This is metric also, by the way, guys. Yeah, so yeah, this is a nice little set in really good condition, and Tom gave us a good deal on it. And it's a little stiff, but we'll take it apart and we'll lube everything up. But man, it's in really good shape. A little bit of tarnishing in the case here. Probably saw a little moisture at one time. Yeah. Oh, yeah, and we got a little tool bit here, T-style. So that was a nice little grab. And then this one is kind of the interesting one here. Little granite plate. Let me grab a towel here. All right, I'm trying to check this plate, see if it's any good. And I don't have the right measuring stuff to do this. This is the best I got. So I got one of these little miniature, get in frame here, one of these little miniature brown and sharp surface gauges. Cute little bugger. And I got a best test indicator in here. So let's just see what we get. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's hard to keep the glare off the dial here. But for relatively crude measuring equipment here, you guys probably can't see there. Yeah, I'm getting essentially no needle movement at all. So I think for 20 bucks, I think it's a good deal. Probably should have picked up a couple of them. So I'm just trying to do the same check on this other little plate here. just for giggles, right? Yeah, so we're a little lacking in the metrology department. So this was our one and only previous surface plate. Now we got that other one. Yeah, one of these days we'll get a real one, but I got to make a hole for it somewhere. Okay. Anyways, I think you know, this thing's going to be fine, you know, for layout and so forth. Oops, wrong way. There we go. Yeah, so certainly can't complain about the price. Yeah. And he had a bunch of these, but everybody was snapping them up. And like I say, I probably should have grabbed two, but you know, one of those things that you don't think about it at the time. Now this box just showed up yesterday, and have not opened it yet. And it comes to us directly from the BarZ Tool Company. Let's open her up, see what we got. So, if you're going to use one of these to do layout work, you got to have a height gauge. Let's take a look at this thing. Must be an extra pointer. Alright, so off camera I got this cleaned up. I got that used motor oil, beeswax mixture, Cosmoline that they use. Got all that removed and gave it a light oiling and wipe down and so forth. So, first impressions, not bad. Let's just look in the catalog first, show you which one this is. So it's this one down here. It's literally the lowest cost one they make, okay? It's a 6-inch dial height gauge. Catalog price, let's call it $49, all right? And I got this with free shipping out the door. It's like 53 bucks, okay? I was looking at the Starretts and the Mitutoyos and the Brown and Sharps, you know, used ones on eBay, and I could buy 3 of these for what one of those costs. All right, and with a $20 plate, I figured this is going to be good enough. All right. So that said, let's take a look at it. So I was experimenting with this 1-2-3 block, and I got it. I think I got it dialed in here. Let's come up a little bit. Actually, let's go the other up. Okay. There we go. 36 thousandths off. And I did check this block. It's dead on 3 inches. All right, so off camera, I've been working on getting this calibrated, and there is adjustment here, chamfered hole or slot in the back here, so you can loosen up the attachment bolt here, and you can move the column up and down. It'll also tilt, which is the challenging part. So trying to keep it square and on size and lined up is not easy. So I found that using a couple of 1-2-3 blocks, one block is working as a square and then the other block for the height. Okay, so I got it within 3 thousandths. I think that's 3, maybe 2.5. So I'm quitting. That's close enough. I mean, you can always just turn the dial here to 0. But we got our scale lines up now, so much better. So yeah, so much happier. The fine adjustment is still a little wonky, but it works. So for what we paid and what we're going to be using it for, absolutely fine. Yeah, so we're going to put a fork in this, so this baby's ready to use.